bagong summer combo. Yan ang gagawin natin for tonight's video. Alright, so anong perfumes ang ating ililayer for tonight's video? Ang una nating perfume na gagamitin ay ang ating Riffs Platinum Privé. Alright, and ang susunod naman natin na perfume ay ang ating Versace Hawas Ice. Okay. So, si Riffs Privé, alam nyo naman, Riffs Privé Platinum, alam nyo naman that this is a clone of Silver Mountain Water. Right? This is metallic green tea ang kanyang scent. And of course, si Hawas Ice, this is Paco Rabanne Invictus Aqua iteration. Alright, so, unahin na muna natin si Riffs Privé Platinum. Let's do 2 sprays sa ating left wrist. And then, this time around, let's go ahead and apply Hawas Ice. This time, let's just do 1 spray. Medyo malakas kasi sa Hawas Ice, baka matabunan si Riffs Privé Platinum. Okay. So, okay. Ayun, amoy agad natin. Green tea with plum. Okay. Green tea with plum. And as well as yung kanyang woodsy na scent. Parang leather na may pagka-plum tapos citrusy tapos parang may incense. Yun, grabe. Ganda ng combination. Okay, so parang citrusy tapos may pagka-plum tapos may leather. Iba-iba yung naamoy mo. So, it's a good combination. Alright. I'd probably rate this as a score of an 8 out of 10 combo na to na ginawa natin for tonight. So, go ahead and try it. Let me know kung ano yung magiging experience nyo sa dalawang combo na to. Again, it doesn't have to be this brand or this brand. Pwede kayong gumawa ng mga DNA ni Paco Rabanne, Invictus Aqua, or DNA ni Silver Mountain Water. Alright, so yun na muna. If you can share your thoughts below kung ano yung mga combos na gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung kakalabasan, let me know down below. And then also, if you have experienced this combo, let me know also your thoughts. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you again soon. Bye!